Welcome to the instructional video for the fabric swap for the 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon, model number 3950. First, we will lay the wagon on its side. Next, undo the 2 velcro loops around the chrome bar on the bottom of the wagon. Then we are going to flip the wagon back on its wheels. From here, you will undo the 2 velcro straps on the right side of the wagon. Now we will lay down the handle and remove the fabric by pulling up on the seat backs. The entire fabric will slide up and off of the wagon. First, you're going to fold the wagon into the folded position and take the fabric, keep it folded, and place it over the frame. Before we attach the fabric, make sure the Velcro straps are on the same side as the Velcro loops in the frame. Then we will slide the opening over the bar about 1 inch on each side. And now we will do the exact same process on the other side of the wagon. If this metal loop is not visible, then that means that this metal bar was placed behind the plastic seat. If you haven't already, unfold the wagon and fold the skirt down. Next, reattach the Velcro straps on both sides. Finally, turn the wagon on its side and attach the Velcro to the bottom of the frame. Now put your wagon back on its wheels and you're ready to roll. For any additional questions, feel free to contact our customer service team.